Damn. Okay. It's a bird over there. We're about to go help a bird. He's probably gonna try to bite me. Oh yeah, he's all caught up in this line. He's all caught up. Alright. He's not really fighting me too much. Well, we'll see. Alright. Let me see. I'm gonna help you out, buddy. Alright. Hold on. He's very weak. Oh man. He's very weak. He's not even barely fighting. I know, bud. I'm gonna help you. I know. Ooh, you got claws. I got you, buddy. Alright, hold on. I know. Ow, ow. That one hurt. I'm trying to help you, buddy. I know. I'm trying to help you. I know. Gosh, this bird is so weak right now. He's probably been here for hours. Oh my gosh. Oh, got one. Got it. Almost there, buddy. I know. I almost got you, buddy. There we go. Come on. There we go. All right, we got the line out. This guy surely would have died if I didn't help him. If we didn't come here. I'll put him over here. I'm coming. All right. There's my shoe. That's not good. All right. We're gonna let you go right here, buddy. There you go. Oh, he seems to be getting along. Look at that. Oh my goodness. We saved a bird. And I lost a shoe. I gotta try to get my shoe in this muck without cutting my feet up. Holy moly. I try to do right in the world. Alright. We'll get all cleaned up here in a minute. I'm gonna have to wash off really good, and then we can get back to fishing. Here we go. Look at that. Perfect flowing water. My shoes are clean.